Coming out of that section, putting all that together. Focusing on that breath. Palms out, expanding that bubble. Reach down, grabbing that bowl. Launching it all the way up, palms to the ceiling. Now bringing those hands together. Tiger King shrinks himself. Monkey King, rather. Reach for that bowl. Cloudy hands. Now from here, I'm going to take that left hand, cross it over, and we'll push with that right. And then we'll take that right hand, cross it all the way over as you turn that body and push with the left. As we bring those hands back to center, take that breath in, scoop up, coming into fireworks. As you exhale, and then pushing down. And here, if we go here, this will be our last posture before going into our closing form. So after coming out of that final push, it's going to be a crossover. Turn that body and push. Crossover, turn that body and push. Now if you see that from the side, you pivot that foot. It's going to be a crossover all the way across and push. Crossover and push. So after that push, the left hand is going to cross over. And you're going to push with the right. Pushing at 45 degrees. If you're standing on the clock face, you're pushing toward 10 o'clock. Now as you cross that right hand over, you're going to push with that left toward that 10 o'clock with the left, 2 o'clock with the right. Now from here, bring both those hands forward with a nice big breath, turning those palms up. It's called fireworks. And you bring that down and back up, having that little bend in the knees. Now, just put that all together. Take a nice breath. Breathe in and out. Tiger dip here. Grabbing that bowl. Focus on that breath. Those hands together. Pushing that dart. Now bringing that back up. Taking that big breath in and push. Rainbow that over. Ready to draw that bow. Pulling it all the way back. Release it all the way forward. Coming into that cloudy hands. Reaching now with that right. Drawing it all the way back. Releasing all the way forward. Bringing that back. Big breath in, big breath out. Crossing that left, push that right. Cross with that right, push that left. Bringing both those hands forward, pulling those back, push forward, open up with those fireworks, dropping that down. Now as we come into that closing form, bring those all the way up as we raise up heaven and push down on earth.